What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our rear diffusers. And this is one of our Vicrez rear diffusers. The VZ for it is VZ106079 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now, this is for the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, and that's A35 to be more specific. Now, it fits 2019 to 2025 models. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, you should have both of your rear exhaust bezels, then your two mount brackets, as well as your other two mounting brackets. Then, you'll have your exhaust trim here. And then your exhaust will fit inside both the bezel and the trim for it. Now we can go ahead and get into the rear diffuser itself. Now this is our gloss black rear diffuser. So instead of our normal matte look, it will be gloss and shiny, like so. And then unlike some of our other rear diffusers, you'll actually have tabs on the bottom to snap in, as well as bolting holes. And then of course, as well as on the top edge, you will have tabs to snap into your rear bumper. Now let me clear some of this out of the way so we can see the other piece. And then you'll have your bottom piece to your rear diffuser. And this is kind of like a skirt for your rear diffuser. It'll sit underneath your rear diffuser. And this is also in gloss black, and it has mounting holes already pre-drilled into it. And then your rear diffuser, each one of these here, these skirts, will sit on top of the raised pieces, and it'll look something like this once it's fully installed. Then of course, you also do have your side pieces, which whenever installed will sit underneath your rear quarter panel. And these just snap into place on the side. You'll have a left and a right side. And then here on this side, you can see a little tab piece. And this will insert with this side tab piece along with this hole. They'll match up. You'll simply just snap them into each other, like so. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more videos just like this one or an install video on this rear diffuser, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And make sure to hit that like and notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one. Peace.